People frequently ask our Washington Law Center attorneys, will Social Security benefits be affected by receipt of ongoing workers' compensation benefits, including but not limited to an industrial injury pension? The answer is that it depends upon the individual worker's past earnings history, meaning that some workers' rights to receive Social Security or workers' compensation will be impacted, whereas those of others will not. Now, because you are permanently totally disabled, you probably should have already filed a Social Security disability insurance benefits application previously. If you have not done so, do so now. You do not have to wait until your industrial injury pension is awarded before you apply for Social Security disability, and nor should you. Having successful applications under both programs can mean that you receive additional benefits, including Medicare eligibility, once a waiting period has passed, regardless of your age. In addition, if you are paying an attorney fee for your workers' compensation representation, that fee can in effect be shifted to the federal government in some cases, and in others will simply be reduced once benefit allocations between the two programs are properly established. It does not benefit you in any way to postpone your Social Security disability application, and yet the longer you wait, the more likely it is that you will lose out on net benefits that would have otherwise been available. If you do not know how to apply for Social Security disability insurance benefits, please call the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213. If you obtain both an industrial injury pension and any form of Social Security benefit, including disability, widows or widowers benefits, or retirement benefits, early or full, there is a chance your Social Security and workers' compensation benefits in combination will be in an amount high enough that one or the other of the two programs will reduce the total benefits paid via a process called offset. So what is an offset? That simply means that one program or the other reduces the amount of benefits it pays because you are already receiving enough benefits of the alternative kind. It is critical for injured workers to understand that sometimes there is no offset even with receipt of full Social Security disability or retirement benefits. In addition, receipt of both types of benefits will never cause a net financial detriment to an injured worker, because an injured worker is guaranteed by law to receive at least the full amount of their workers' compensation eligibility, even if the two programs combine to pay that amount, some coming from the Social Security Administration, with the rest coming from the workers' compensation claim. Also, sometimes there's only a partial offset, or in the case of some workers who have had periods of high earnings at some point in their life, there may not be an offset at all. What happens in your individual case will be dependent upon your past earnings history over the course of your entire lifetime. Everyone's analysis is different because everyone's earnings record is different. Your Washington Law Center attorney can provide you a precise analysis if you first go to ssa.gov and download your lifetime earnings record and provide that to our attorney. Still, you should always feel comfortable knowing that you can never receive less money net to you by applying for both Social Security benefits and L&I benefits at the same time. If you've heard something different from anyone else, including other attorneys, do not believe it. At Washington Law Center, we know this area of practice better than they do, so you should believe us as the final word.